Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic body solid sale review of United States. In this video you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam. Guys, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will show the way to get your money back. So guys, let's talk about the website is basically offering to customers. Guys, from the images, one can easily understand that this website especially deals with all kinds of workout accessories like body toner, dual axis bike, indoor exercise bike, walking treadmill, upright and exercise bike, and many more some other things of the gyms. Now let's check some of their best selling products. So here are the images of some of their best products which are available at reasonable prices, and some of them are available at huge discount right now. So you can check these products by visiting their official website. Now let's talk about their payment policy. So guys, they accept all kind of online payment method like Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, American Express, Discover, Ucash, Nutella, and many more. Now let's talk about their shipping policy, for which we need to go to the shipping section. Now click on the About Us section and click shipping policy. Here they mention they offer all products for US delivery. This includes all regions of the United States. Shipping services do not provided outside the United States. And also they mention they ship within 72 hours after you place the order. It will be shipped from China, or it usually takes 10 to 22 days to receive your product. And now guys, let's talk about legitimacy checkpoints. Before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit. So guys, this website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is totally safe and secure. Besides this website has been registered on 12th of November 2020, and hence it is a new website and not reliable. Now if you want to know about us page, let's check into it. Click About Us section. Here we go. Guys, to be very honest, the most of the part is copy paste from the other sites, so we must say we advise you to do your own research on that. Now if you want to know about the contact address, let's go to the contact us section. So friends, click on About Us section and go to the contact us. Here it is, 1000 Hollywood Ave, Clearwater, Florida 33759 USA. And now if you want to know about the email ID, friends, it is also mentioned here, bodysolidsale@outlook.com. Now let's talk about the social media preference. Guys, the website does not have any social media page till now, which is a negative point for the website. Now if you want to know about the return and refund policy, here we go. Now click on the About Us section, refund and return policy. Here they mention 30 days return policy. Now guys, if you want to know about the customer reviews of the website, so friends, there is no customer review available in the website, and we have checked in the Google too. There is also no such review made by a single customer regarding the quality of service of the company or the product, which is again a negative point for the website. So guys, if you ask about the website content quality, which is not good, so on the basis of all these negative points, we can say it is a possibility of a scam, because so many lot of negative points regarding this website, and we must advise you to your own research effectively before investing your time and money in such a website. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We all read your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe. Thank you.